Online dating is transforming how we connect. Millions seek companionship and love through dating apps and websites. While these platforms offer convenience and efficiency, they also present new challenges. One such challenge is the rise of catfishing, a form of online deception that can have profound emotional consequences. The internet allows individuals to craft carefully curated personas. This anonymity can be exploited for malicious purposes. Catfishing involves creating a false online identity to deceive someone into an emotional or romantic relationship. The motivations behind catfishing vary. Some catfish seek financial gain, immigration purpose for greener pastures, emotional abuse of opposite sex who once hurt them, flirting for sexual and emotional fulfillment lacking in their reality, while others crave the validation of an online relationship. Regardless of the motive, the impact on the victim can be devastating. Victims of catfishing often invest significant time, emotion, and even money into these relationships. Discovering the deception can trigger feelings of betrayal, humiliation, and a loss of trust. The emotional toll of catfishing highlights the importance of approaching online interactions with caution and awareness. The Netflix documentary, Sweet Bobby, My Catfish Nightmare provides a chilling example of the devastating impact of catfishing. The film chronicles the experience of Kirat Asi, who fell victim to an elaborate catfishing scheme that spanned 8 years. Asi believed she was in a long-distance relationship with a cardiologist named Bobby, unaware that the person she communicated with online was entirely fabricated. The documentary highlights the psychological manipulation and coercive control often present in catfishing cases. Asi's experience demonstrates how catfish can exploit vulnerabilities and insecurities to maintain the facade. The emotional fallout from such experiences can be long-lasting, leaving victims struggling with trust issues and emotional scars. Some even dated victims for years, long enough to marry and immigrate, only to reveal their true selves and abandon the victims a few months later, leaving victims starting the search for another 3 to 6 years over again. Their mission, after all, was accomplished by living abroad in their dreamland. Catfishing is not limited to romantic relationships. Individuals may create fake profiles for financial gain to cyberbully others, blackmailing them after deceiving them as a quittance over weeks and months and years into providing personal details, or just simply for the thrill of deception. The anonymity of the internet can embolden individuals to engage in behaviors they would never consider in face-to-face interactions. Recognizing the potential for deception is crucial in navigating the digital dating landscape. The world of modern dating is constantly evolving, with new trends and terminologies emerging regularly. While some trends are harmless, others can be indicative of unhealthy relationship patterns or potential red flags. Zombieing, for example, refers to the reappearance of someone who previously ghosted you. This behavior can be confusing and emotionally draining. Benching involves keeping someone on the sidelines without commitment, while breadcrumbing refers to sporadic, non-committal communication. These trends highlight the importance of setting clear boundaries and expectations in dating. It's essential to recognize when someone is not investing in the relationship equally and to prioritize your own emotional well-being. Other trends, such as love bombing, can be particularly concerning. Love bombing involves overwhelming someone with affection early on in a relationship. Always too good to be true. While it may seem flattering, it can be a manipulative tactic used to gain control and isolate the other person. Being aware of these red flags and trusting your instincts is crucial in protecting yourself from emotional harm. While the digital dating landscape presents unique challenges, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and increase your chances of finding genuine connections. Firstly, be cautious about the information you share online. Avoid revealing personal details that could be used for identity theft or other malicious purposes, or answering and commenting on suspicious questions and topics that could directly or indirectly reveal your social, emotional, or financial status on social or dating platform or forums. Secondly, be wary of profiles that seem too good to be true. Most likely they are not true. Check how many pictures posted over the years, when was the profile created, and study background of the pictures. Pay attention to inconsistencies in their stories or if something feels off. Reverse image searching their photos can help determine if they are using stolen images. Trust your instincts, and if something feels wrong, it probably is. Thirdly, take your time getting to know someone before meeting in person. Engage in longer video calls to verify their identity and observe their behavior, focusing on their surrounding. When you do meet, choose a public place and let a trusted friend or family member know your plans. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. Finally, approach online dating with a healthy dose of skepticism and a clear understanding of your own expectations and boundaries. While catfishing and other forms of deception are a reality, they shouldn't deter you from exploring online dating. By being informed, cautious, and prioritizing your well-being, you can navigate the digital dating world safely and confidently. Remember, genuine connections are built on trust and authenticity, both online and offline, like love and share for a loved one. D-Icon Health and Digital.